Okay, this is review of expanding and simplifying. We need to expand and simplify this question. Simply? Nope. Okay, first let's try to recognize what exactly we're looking at. I have -4 times this bracket times this bracket. Then I have an addition sign in between, and I have 3 times this bracket times this bracket. So according to BEDMAS, okay, don't forget about that ever. When you ever get stuck on math, let's refer back to BEDMAS when we're equating things. I'm going to deal with all of my multiplication first. So because this is all multiplication, I'm going to solve all of that. And because this is all multiplication, I'm going to solve all of that. Then finally at the end, I will add. Okay? Now, sorry, I should address this. There are brackets in all of these terms, but I can't simplify them. So essentially, there's nothing I can do in the brackets. That's why I don't work with them. There are no exponents, and multiplication was the next thing. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the FOIL method for the first set, and then I'll use the rainbow method for our second set. I'm going to deal with the brackets times the brackets first. So I'm going to kind of leave out that -4. And I'm going to do our FOIL. So that's our first terms. 2x times 4x will give us 8x squared. Our outside terms are 2x times -5, which is -10x. Our inside terms are -6 times 4x is -24x. And our last terms are -6 times -5, +30. So I've equated the brackets. Okay, I'm going to have to simplify them. And our other one, again, I'm going to deal with the brackets first and kind of leave our 3 to the outside. We'll use rainbow method. 11x times 11x, 121x squared. And 11x times -4 is -44x. 7 times 11x is +77x. And 7 times -4 is -28. So I've used 2 different methods. Still, both of them work. Now what I need to do is I need to simplify my brackets. Go back to brackets again, right? After each step, look at what we've created. In the brackets, I can simplify these 2 sets of terms. So I'm left with -4 times 8x squared. -10x minus 24x, -34x. And in our other bracket, -44x plus 77x will give us +33x minus 28. So I've equated, I've simplified. I expanded, and now I simplified, and now I'm going to expand again. When I look inside the brackets, this is as simple as it gets. These are all 3 different terms, so I can't simplify. These are all 3 different terms. I can't simplify. So I can't do anything with brackets. There's no exponents. Multiplication is next. This -4 needs to be distributed to every term. So does this 3. So when I distribute the -4 times 8x, I get -32x squared. -4 times -34 gives us positive, what is that, 136x, is that right? Someone double check that as I go through. -4 times, okay, and -4 times 30 is going to give us -120. Okay, so I've distributed the 4. We'll distribute the 3. I'll need your help a little here. Now, here's what's important. This positive sign is still going to stay here because we still need to add the 2 brackets together after. So when I distribute that 3 times 121x is going to give us 363x squared. 3 times 33x will give us +99x. And 3 times -28 will give us -84. Thank you. Again, we look at our brackets. That's our first step of BEDMAS. These are still 3 different terms. Oopsie. Those are 3 different terms. I still can't simplify them. Okay? So, can't do anything brackets, there's no exponents, no division, no multiplication, addition. We need to add these brackets together. So I'm going to drop the brackets, and we're going to try to collect our like terms. So I have negative 32x squared plus 136x minus 120 plus 363x squared plus 99x minus 84. Now I can deal with my addition and subtraction. I'm going to collect like terms. So my x squareds are like terms. My x to the power of 1s are like terms, and my constant numbers are like terms. Negative 32x squared plus 363. I'm going to take this out just to double check. Okay. 363, subtract 32, 331, x squared. Okay. So those are our two blues. We've solved them. 136 plus 99, 235. So plus 235 x to the power of 1. Those are our red terms simplified. And finally, negative 120 minus 84 is going to give negative 204. So without the lines underneath, our answer is 331x squared plus 235x minus 204. So let's view that entire page. A lot of work. Okay, so we have a question here. What's the first step to factoring always? Is there a common factor in all three terms? What is it? 2x. 2x comes out of all of those, so we take 2x to the outside. 2xy divided by 2x is y. Negative 8xz divided by 2x is negative 4z. And 4x divided by 2x is 2. I've taken my greatest common factor out. Is there any special factors? In other words, is it a difference of squares? So just to recap quickly, when I divided 2xy by 2x, the 2's canceled out and the x's canceled out. I was only left with y. When I did 8xz divided by 2x, 8 by 2 was 4, and the x's canceled out. And when we did 4x divided by 2x, 4 divided by 2 is 2, and the x's cancel each other out. So let's get back to our factoring. There's no more greatest common factors. These are not special factors. Can I factor this Tonani's way at all? We have two different variables. Neither of them is squared. We're essentially done. We've taken out our common factor. This is our final answer.